Hey, what's happening, guys? So, on this episode, we're gonna work on this vinyl door sign. But before we show you the process and everything about this business, I want to talk about something very important that we get questioned a lot in our comments, and that is about sales, marketing strategies, and pricing. Because most of our leads today come from word of mouth and from advertising on Facebook Marketplace or even Facebook groups. But we still sometimes use an old strategy and a secret that we have to attract customers, and that's exactly what I'm going to talk about. So make sure you stick around, and of course we appreciate your like and subscribe. So here's our secret number one, and perhaps the most effective. So let's just pretend that you just installed this vinyl door sign on this restaurant and you want to take some pictures to make some sales and advertise. Well, you're just not going to take a picture directly at the sign. You're going to get creative and use psychology, because most people will do exactly that and just take a boring picture of the sign after they were finished. But what exactly do I mean use psychology? So let me show you. So we did this project around 4 or 5 years ago, and we even streamed this episode on this channel. But we knew exactly what to do after we were removing the transfer. It looks very simple, but let me show you what we did. Now I want you to analyze this picture that we took when removing the transfer. Do you see it? Well, what do you see when you see this image? What are we advertising? Of course, decals. And how do you know? Well, because it is very obvious. And this technique, we've been doing it for many years. It is simple psychology. Most people can see on a clear picture what you're doing and what you are advertising. This is why we really recommend that you take pictures from this angle. Make sure you do it halfway so that way they can see it's a decal, like this image. But before you ask why this angle, well, in marketing, there's no such thing as taking your time to see what you are advertising. No, you only have a few seconds to make an impression on your possible customer. So they have to see clear what you are advertising. You only have probably 1 second or two if you're lucky. So you must make that impression. And we do exactly the same with other products like yard signs, car magnets. If only you knew how many car magnets we sold thanks to this image, and even t-shirts, hoodies, or any other garments. And look at that. And guess what? Today's project was done thanks to this image that we use on Facebook groups. This image has made us so much money, if only you knew. And guys, before we move to our secret number two, I'd really appreciate if you give us a hype. This does not cost you anything, and this will definitely help us a lot. And if you are one of those cheap fellas, then you can at least leave us a comment. This will help us with the algorithm. Thank you. Now, our secret number two is doing surveillance. Like this episode that we streamed a couple of years ago, we went to this restaurant and we noticed that they did not have the hours on their doors. So we asked the owner if he was interested on these services, and in the end, we end up making more money because he needed more stuff than just a vinyl sign on his door. So now you know, next time you go out to eat, pay attention if the restaurant has any hours on the doors, and ask the owner if he's interested on your services. Show him pictures, uniforms, so you never know. So in reality, you might get a no, or you might make the deal of the year. So I really suggest that you guys do some surveillance when you go out, and pay attention if the restaurant has any signs, uniforms, or any stuff that you can provide to them. And our third and final secret is self-promoting. So whenever you sell a decal like this vinyl stripe that we sold, always add your information or a business card inside, so that way the customer has your personal information and all the services that you can provide next time. And so that way you make the money directly from them and you don't have to pay those fees on eBay. always self-promote your businesses whenever you get a chance. There are places like restaurants, body shop, barber shops where they let you add or place your business cards there, so that way people can see your information. Always bring business cards with you. That is a good way to self-promote your business and your services. And now let's talk about pricing, because a lot of people are just price guessing. Now your pricing should be based on your location, your labor, and your investment. Now let's pretend that you are just starting this business. Well, you're not gonna pay yourself the same as someone in their professional level. So for example, us, we pay ourselves more because we can get the job done faster. So this is a calculator that we have and that we use, which you can also use with your gold membership. We just add the pricing for our vinyl per square footage, or the square footage used for the project, our labor fee per hour, and the time we spend for this project. Also a complexity fee. We usually do 5% for easy projects and 10% for complex or hard projects, and also our tax in our local area. And this is the result that we get from the calculator. Now these results are just an estimate of how much you could charge for a project like this based on all the things that you enter from investment and labor and other stuff that you consider. Again, you can use this calculator by joining the gold membership. You can click on the join button below on this video. And now that we got all of that information out, now let's focus on today's project. So as you know, we always use Oracle 651 to make either car decals or vinyl signs for doors, or many others, even wall decals. And this is the place where we're going to install the decal today. Now, we always recommend that you bring a lot of stuff with you, like Rapid Tag, Goof Off, which is an adhesive remover. You never know, sometimes the customer forgets to tell you that there is adhesive from an old decal. So you always want to come prepared. And always bring your ruler, so that way you take your measurements before you apply your vinyl sign. Now, some people in the comments have asked why we place the decal outside. Well, we always give our customers an option to do the decal from the outside or inside, but both sides have its pros and cons. If you place it outside, there is a small maybe possibility that someone will play with the sign and remove a letter or something, or also the weather can damage it faster. But the positive side is that the sign will be visible and stronger, and they can notice it from far away. Now, if you place it inside, it is safe from the weather. However, it might not be so visible as it is when you place it outside. So always give the customer an option. And yes, look at the pictures. We took these pictures, as I mentioned, to promote our services local. It never fails. And this is the result. And for the next episode, we're going to show you this project that we recently did. So this is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much. We appreciate if you need equipment from a squeegee or anything. We will appreciate if you get them through our links below. Thank you guys so much. We'll see you next week. Look at this beautiful advertising.